I saw on your LinkedIn profile that you trained a lot of people and you are well versed with this. So I just wanted to understand from you how safe it is for us to, sometimes I might upload something on ChatGPT saying that I want it in this format or I want like this one. How safe is this?
One, privacy is a myth. There is no such thing as privacy. If you have it either in your system or anywhere in the internet, a hacker can easily find it. And I'm not telling an intelligent hacker. A normal hacker can easily find whatever it is there inside your laptop or on the internet. So that concept of privacy is a myth. And unless you're a millionaire or something and you have an air gapped PC or something, there is no way hackers can't attack. Second thing is inside ChatGPT, there is an option of letting ChatGPT train its data with your data. So it goes somewhere here. So there you go. Improve model for everyone. If you switch this on, that means any data that you upload into ChatGPT, it's probably going to use that data to train its LLM. For example, you are uploading your QBR into this and asking it to moderate. Unless you are on a paid version, if you are on a free version, it's highly unlike you are the money. That is, unless you're paying some money, if you're paying 200, 300 for subscription, it's happy. If you're not paying anything for subscription, you are the data. So you are uploading any kind of data, it's going to take that data and kind of train it in its LLM. And whenever your competitor do some kind of search on it, those data could go to your competitor, because one, your model might be switched on, or two, you're not a paid user. So, but it's a mandate that you should never upload any kind of sensitive data or personal data like your credit card or that password and all inside ChatGPT or any free tools.
I just wanted to know that how do we avoid any plagiarism happening?
In any kind of AI systems, you're generating your own data with your own verbiage. So, for example, so you and I are colleagues, and both you and I are going to give it the same prompt. That is, both me and you want to generate a blog post on employee satisfaction. Now, what's happening is I'm going to ChatGPT and saying, the context is I want to generate a blog post on employee satisfaction. The role is think of yourself like a reputed HR executive, etc., etc. You also define it. Now, you define it in a different way. I also define it in a different way. So our outputs will be different. Now, assume both of us copy paste the exact data. So I define the craft framework. You copy that, put it into your ChatGPT, and both of us press enter. If you can, then when you compare the output is going to be different. 135 billion people are there in the world. 135 billion people putting in the same prompt will get 135 billion response. So there is no concept of plagiarism here whatsoever, because you're generating your own response. Plagiarism happens when you're extracting information from somewhere and putting it as it is word by word. You're never doing that. But from an AI generation content perspective, that is when you will be flag saying, oh, this content seemed to be AI generated. So for that also there are a lot of way arounds. If you look at Grammarly, there is a option in paid option in Grammarly called Humanize. There is a tool called humanizer.ai, called ChatSonic and WriteSonic also. So all these tools, what it does is it helps in taking these AI data and customizing it and making it very human centric, essentially speaking.